You can use Sourcetable AI to automatically fill in missing data using the Magic Autofill feature. For example, I have this dataset with university student information, and I need to manually fill in the email address for each student. The standard email address assigned to students at this university is just the first initial plus the last name plus the last 2 digits of their graduation year at university.edu. So I could go through and manually type in the first initial, the last name, the graduation year at university.edu, but when you have a data set with hundreds of rows, that's going to take way too long. So instead, I'm going to use Sourcetable's Magic Autofill feature. To use this feature, all you need to do is select the cells you want to populate, along with 1 or 2 cells that are already populated in the format you want. And then you're going to click this green and purple dot in the top right corner of your selected cells and click Magic Autofill. And Sourcetable AI automatically populates your cells in the correct format, saving you a ton of time. The Magic Autofill feature uses context from the column header, the data surrounding your cells, and the internet. So there's a lot of context provided to the AI to give you pretty accurate results.